the consent form. You know why we fill that? So they don't take the responsibility if we fall off from there. A little bit scared.
A little bit concerned as well.
A little bit concerned as well. Class designation. Okay.
Software engineer.
Charan, who is this guy?
He's God, dude. What are you? That's Sai Kiran. By the way, yeah, he's Sai Kiran. First time featuring in our video.
He's always behind the camera.
He's always up above, you know, giving us good blessings.
And who is she?
To be successful. She, I think the cameraman can answer that better. He's taking good angles for her. Hey guys, welcome back to Run Ram Run. Today we are at Bongir, which is around 50 to 60 kilometers from Hyderabad. That's roughly 1 hour distance. And again, one more perfect weekend getaway. We all know about the Bongir fort, but one unexplored gem here is the rappelling that they have. For all you adventure freaks, this is definitely worth a try. Rappelling this close to Hyderabad, I haven't seen it elsewhere. So I'm not sure how it's gonna be, but I'm really excited. I've filled the consent form. It's around 300 feet of rappelling. So join along with us and see how it's gonna be. It's my first experience here as well. I've done rappelling already in Gandikota, but this near to Hyderabad, first time, and again, I'm too excited for this. So we are tagging along with Rock Climbing School in Bongir. So they are going to help us out with this rappelling today. So first off, we are going to do fort exploration. The reason is right now the time is 7:30. Before it turns too hot, we wanted to complete the rappelling. So keeping that in view, we came a little early, but the fort apparently opens at 10 AM. Also, I'm going to share the details about the rock climbing school, their contact number, and also the location, so that you guys can definitely try this out over a weekend. We are hardly 30 to 50 feet above the ground, but the view is already so good. We can't wait to see how it looks from 500 feet up above. Looks like we have completed around 200 feet already, but we took around easily 30 to 40 minutes. Not because we were not fit, but Nikhil wanted a lot of pictures on the way. So we have reached the 300 feet point, but we want to challenge ourselves a little bit further and reach top up there, that way. So that's another 30% from here, in the sense from whatever we have climbed, that's under 30%. But let's challenge ourselves and reach there, because all this way we really found crazy places for some picturesque shots. So we want to continue exploring further. We're already like quite high. Now what shocked me most is the size of our car. Just look at that. There. That's the car. Basically our idea to start early was right, because as we are getting later in the day, the sun is getting hotter and it gets more difficult and exhausting. So I would suggest you guys to start around 5:30ish, like how we started, and reach here before 7 AM in the morning. These guys will open it up at 6 AM if you inform them at least like one day before. Yeah, sorry that I'm gasping a lot, because it's quite too much. All the tiredness and gasping will be off with just this view. Just look there.
Duck, duck, goose, found a pussy in a dollar bin.
Guess you forgot.
We're actually out of energy. That's the peak point. So we want to do an energy burst. So we're going to run from here on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I can go into meditation. Night and night, I can deal with everything. Every night, I can make it like home. And that's what drives me.
So we have reached the topmost fort on Bongir. This is like an amazing view from up here. Wow.
Stood by your side through all of the lies, watching you cry for me. Get on your knees, apologize please. No, why don't you die for me? Call me the king, really real things. Give me that diamond ring. Get on your knees, apologize please. No, why don't you die for me?
Phew, since finally we have reached the top of Bongir Fort, let me share some facts about this place. This is roughly around 500 feet high and sits on top of a monolithic rock that is in the shape of an egg. It was constructed somewhere in the 10th century by the Western Chalukya ruler named Tribhuvanamala Vikramaditya. And one more interesting thing is, if you realize, the steps from the bottom of the hill to the top are still intact. So 70% from up here I showed you how our car looked, the size of our car. I'm not able to open my eyes properly, but from up here you can see the car size and estimate how far up we have come. Let me show it to you. Yeah, over there, that's our car. Yes, I'll circle that. That's the car. So I'm just trying to fix my GoPro. I'm a bit scared, to be frank, because I don't know why. It's been long. All set. So your name? Gangadhar. Hi Gangadhar. So koncham chinna explanation iyandi. We are a bit scared actually. So yeah.
క్వశ్చన్ చేయండి, మీకు ఎట్లా క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తే అట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది.
మామూలుగా ఎంతసేపు పడుతుంది, ఎంతసేపు భయపడాలి కిందకి వెళ్ళేసి వరకు?
ఫస్ట్ అనేది ఎవరికైనా స్కేటింగ్ ఉంటుంది. అది ఇప్పుడు ఈ 10 to 15 ఫీట్స్ వరకు కొంచెం రోప్ని ఫీట్ చేస్తూ వాక్ బ్యాక్ తర్వాత 90 degrees రాక్ వస్తుంది కదా. రాక్ మెయిన్ రోప్ ఉంటుంది. మనం 2 types రోప్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకటి బిల్లే రోప్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం, ఒకటి మెయిన్ రోప్.
ఓకే,
ఇది మెయిన్ రోప్.
ఓకే,
ఇది బిల్లే రోప్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ బిల్లే రోప్ ఏమో నేను ఇక్కడ నుంచి బిల్ ఇస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ కింద ఉన్న క్లయింట్ ఇప్పుడు ఎంత ఉన్నారు, మిడిల్లో మీరు ప్రాబ్లంగా ఉంది అని అంటే తన ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ నేను గైడ్ చేస్తాను. ఫైర్మ్యాన్ ఏ విధంగా నేను ఇక్కడ పై నుంచి బిల్ ఇస్తున్నాను, కింద నుంచి కూడా అట్లా అయినా చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ సపోజ్ తను రెస్క్యూలో ఉన్నాడు అని అంటే ఎంఆర్ యూజ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ చేయొచ్చు.
సో టెన్షన్ లేదంటారు.
ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేసేది ఏ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ అయినా సరే హైలీ చెక్ అయిన తర్వాతనే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఇది స్క్రూ గేట్ క్యారబినర్ అంటారు. 28K అని ఉంటుంది.
2800 kgs.
చూడండి దానికి అక్కడ ఉంటుంది నెంబర్ ఏముంది.
2008. కొంచెం భయం తగ్గినట్టే ఉంది, కానీ భయం ఉంది. వెళ్ళొచ్చి
చేస్తే తెలుస్తుంది.
ఇరాన్ ఇదాని ఎడిట్ కాదురా, ఫస్ట్ కిందకి వెళ్ళాలి.
ఫీట్ అపార్ట్.
ఇప్పుడు ఫీట్ అపార్ట్, వరల్డ్స్ అపార్ట్ అయ్యేటట్టున్నాయి ఇప్పుడు. ఇదా వాడికి అది అవసరం లేదా? వాడికి
నువ్వు వద్దనే వేస్తాడు అన్న. బాడీ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రావిటీ టెక్నికల్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్.
సో అందుకే హిప్ మీద ప్రెషర్ పడకుండా నీస్ లాక్ అన్నారు. ఏంటి లాగేస్తున్నాడు అన్న ఆల్రెడీ?
ఒక్క స్టెప్ బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళండి. ఫీట్ అపార్ట్ మీరు ఏం చెప్పండి
ఇదేంటి అంతేనా?
ఓకే ఇప్పుడు ఫీట్ అపార్ట్ ఇది గైడెన్స్
ఓకే
ఓకేనా. ఇది లాకింగ్ హ్యాండ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ జస్ట్ రోప్ ఫీట్ చేసి వాక్ బ్యాక్
ఫీట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ వదులుతూ ఉండాలి రైట్ హ్యాండ్.
బ్యాక్ చేయాలి.
కానీ బాధ ఏంటంటే నేను లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండర్.
ఓకే దట్స్ ఫైన్.
తిప్పచ్చుకోవచ్చా? ఓకే అందుకే అర్థం కాలేదు ఇలా పట్టుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇది రివర్స్ అయినందువల్ల నా లైఫ్ రివర్స్ కాదు.
చరణ్ వాట్స్ ద ట్విస్ట్?
లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ వల్ల నేను రైట్ హ్యాండర్ యాక్చువల్లీ కానీ నేను లెఫ్ట్ చేస్తాను.
అవునా? ద ఫ్యాక్ట్ ఇస్ నేను లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండర్ అయ్యేసరికి దే ఆర్ షిఫ్టింగ్ థింగ్స్ అవుట్ because I was scared and I want my dominant hand to be the supporting hand here. And there's a wow for that also. గట్టిగా టైట్ పట్టుకున్నా కాలిపోతుంది, ఇది మొత్తం బర్న్ అవుతుంది కదా. మజా వచ్చింది. Guys, it was a wonderful experience. I'm running short of words, but one important thing, you need to have a lot of physical strength, especially in your arms, to control that rope and come down slowly. And another important warning is that don't come here post 8 AM because the sun is going to fry you, especially in the summers. Make sure you reach here by 6 AM, rush up, finish the rappelling and do whatever you want post that. Since we had to make the video, we ran a little short, because of which it was a proper summer fry. So we have done our rappelling with Rock Climbing School, part of Telangana Tourism. They were very cautious, careful and made sure that they followed all the safety measures, and it was a cakewalk for all of us. Especially, we didn't have to think about the safety.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
So guys, we are completely exhausted, so on the way back we thought let's stop by at a nice place and have our food. And we were attracted seeing this village authentic ambience of Maapalle Ruchulu place. So we're trying this for the first time, for the obvious reasons, because it's the first time we're coming here. The menu looks surprisingly favorable to us because it has a lot of biryanis in here, and we being biryani freaks are going for biryani itself and closing our video. So our dear friend Sai Kiran is a perfect person to have a biryani with. Guess why? All his meat pieces he'll put in the other's plate because he doesn't eat meat. So I'm happy sitting beside him. Whatever it is. Okay, extra na migultundi. So on that note, guys, this place has also got a natukodi fry if you want to try something different and that village kind of food. But if you just want to stick with the regular stuff, the mutton biryani is really good. So I'm going to continue eating. See you until the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Run Ram Run.